Let us start the problems on this power of lens and some exercise problem on the lens topic from your textbook. Here is one example. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Here lens is given as concave. So for concave the focal length is negative. So as the lens is concave, the focal length is minus 2 meter. For concave, always negative. For convex, plus. Student, you write down this at the first page of your notebook where you are writing your name. Convex means plus sign and concave means minus sign. It may be a mirror or it may be a lens. Convex means plus, concave means minus. So for concave, focal length is negative. We have to find the power. So power focal length relation is P equal to 1 by F. Here F value is minus 2, hence the power is minus 0.5 diopter. So solving this minus represent the lens is concave. Here is the next problem. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image. Convex lens. Now convex lens having the focal length positive, it forms a real and inverted image. Real and inverted image means it is on right hand side. Means here V is positive, U is always negative. Of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. Of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. It means here U is negative. Here the image is at a 50 centimeter from it. So V is plus 50. Where is the needle placed? Where is the needle placed? In front of the convex lens. Means here we have to find the object position, that is U. If the image is equal to size of the object. Here this problem belongs to lens, and here it is the condition that the image size is equal to object size. So where the size of the object image remains same, so that is the case of 2f1, 2f2, means if the object is at 2f1, the image will be of 2f2, it will be of same size. Means in this case U equal to V, means here U is minus 50, V is plus 50. This U equal to V. Because here 2f1 distance is always equal to 2f2 from O. 2f1 distance from O equal to 2f2 distance from O. So U is minus 50, V is plus 50. Also find power of the lens. So here magnification is 1, as h dash by h is 1, because here size of the image equal to size of the object, or height of the image equal to height of the object. It is 1, it is given in the problem, means h dash equal to h. We have to find the position of the object, that is U. So we have already decided U is minus 50 centimeter. What is power of the lens? Here the object is placed at 2f1, image will be at 2f2, and it is real and inverted and of same size. Therefore U is minus 50 centimeter. Like this you can write the explanation. If you want, you can calculate by the formula. Now we decided the U and V. Now we have to search the focal length. Without the focal length we cannot get the power. So calculating the focal length by the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So V value is plus 50. 1 by 50 minus of this formula, U value is minus 50. Minus minus become plus. So that will give the calculation 2 by 50 equal to 1 by F. Hence F equal to plus 25 centimeter. In meter, this focal length will be written as 0.25 meter dividing by 100. So focal length in meter is plus 0.25 meter. So as the focal length is positive, the lens is convex. Here it is already mentioned in the question itself. So this is cross check, lens is convex. Now power of lens is the reciprocal of focal length, substituting the focal length in meter. So calculation of this will be plus 4 diopter, because 0.25 means 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, it is 4. The power of lens is plus 4 diopter. So this is the ray diagram for this case. Now this is the next problem. An object 5 centimeter in height. So height of the object is 5 centimeter. It's held 25 centimeter away from converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens. It is held 25 centimeter, means U is minus 25 centimeter. Of focal length 10 centimeter. So here converging means convex lens. Focal length is plus. So focal length is plus 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find position, size and nature of the image form. From the question itself, you can understand the various answer. As the focal length is plus 10, so 2f distance is twice of this, that is 20 centimeter. Here object is placed at 25 centimeter. This 25 centimeter is larger value compared to this 2f1 distance. It means here the object is beyond 2f1. So here is the case of object is beyond 2f1. If the object is beyond 2f1, then the image will be between f2 and 2f2. If the object is beyond 2f1, then the image will be between f2 and 2f2. It will be diminished, real and inverted. So here the image will be diminished, real and inverted. If you know this ray diagram and have a knowledge of this ray diagram, you can imagine the situation. Elsewhere you have to calculate. Now as focal length and U is given, let us find the V by using the lens formula. 1 by V, that is the position of the image. V means position of image. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. 1 by V minus, what is U value? It is minus 25 equal to 1 by 10. Focal length is positive for convex lens. Now minus become plus here. When it shift to this side, then plus term, when shift to this side, it become minus. So next term become 1 by V equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Solving this, you will get V equal to plus 50 by 3, that is plus 16.66 centimeter. So V is plus, it will be 16.66 centimeter. So this position is in between F2 and 2F2. F2 and 2F2. What is the height of the image as height of the object is given? So magnification formula, H dash by H equal to V by U. So H dash we have to find, H is 5, which is equal to V value, it is 50 by 3 and U value is minus 25. So it will be minus 2 by 3 into 5, that gives you H dash. So H dash value is minus 10 by 3. So H dash is minus 3.33 centimeter. Negative sign represent to this H dash. The image is inverted and this size is less than the object size. So that is diminished. So inverted means it is inverted, means real and inverted, and it is diminished. Let us calculate the magnification also. Magnification is H dash by H. So here magnification H dash value is minus 3.33 and H is 5. Solving this, you will get minus 0.666. This is the magnification for this case. A concave lens, let us study the next problem. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So let us consider a concave lens. For the concave lens, focal length is always negative. For convex lens, the focal length is positive. For concave lens, the focal length is negative. It means here the F equal to minus 15 centimeter. From an image 10 centimeter from the lens, it means here 10 centimeter is position of image, that is V. V is 10 centimeter. As the lens is concave, So concave lens always produces virtual and the erect image. It means here V is always negative because image is always formed on the same side of object. That is the last case of the image formation. So here V will be minus 10 centimeter. How far is the object placed? So where the object is placed means we have to find the U from the lens. Draw the ray diagram. So student, here the lens is concave. So for concave lens there are only two cases. One is object is at infinity, image will be at focus. On that the generally problem will not be asked. So this is the next case. Object is in any position between infinity and the O. So this is the ray diagram for this. For concave lens the image form is virtual and erect. So first ray is parallel to principal axis. It will diverge with respect to focus. This we have studied while studying the ray diagram. And second ray is drawn by the third rule of the ray diagram. The ray which passes through the optical center, it passes without deviation. This is the back ray of the diverged ray. So here the intersection of this back ray and this dark ray. So back ray and the dark ray, it will give the virtual image. So here the virtual image is formed between F1 and O. So as in this problem, V is given, focal length is given, we have to find the U. So using the lens formula, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V value is minus 10 minus from this formula minus 1 by U, that is 1 by U equal to 1 by focal length is minus 15. So rearrange this term. So 1 by U will be taken to right hand side, taking this minus 1 by 15 to this side. So positive term first, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by U. Solving this, so 1 by 5 will be taken common, inside the bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by U. So it is 1 by 5. Solving this bracket, it gives you minus 1 by 6 equal to 1 by U. Solving this, you will get U as minus 30 centimeter. As U is negative means object is in front of the lens, means it is on the same side of the object. So this is the next problem. Student, draw the ray diagram. Now this is the next problem. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2 diopter. So this minus means the lens is concave. What type of lens is this? So lens is concave as the power is minus, as we have studied. So power is minus 2 diopter. We have to find the focal length. Use the formula of power equal to 1 by F. So F is 1 by P. Put the value of power, it is minus 2. So focal length is minus 0.5 meter. In centimeter, it will be minus 50 centimeter. Negative sign shows to the focal length, it is concave lens. This is the next question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So plus means it is a convex lens. Find the focal length of the lens. From the power, we can very easily calculate the focal length. Is the prescribed lens is diverging or converging? From the sign itself, you can understand it is a convex lens, means it is a converging lens. So power is plus 1.5 diopter. It is a convex lens. Let us find the focal length. Power equal to 1 by F. So F equal to 1 by P means focal length is the reciprocal of power. Power is the reciprocal of focal length. Put the value of power. It is plus 1.5 means it is 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2. So focal length is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means plus 0.666 meter. Means focal length for this case is plus 66.6 centimeter. So student, this is the completion of your topic light reflection and refraction. Let us practice this. Solve the various questions from your NCERT textbook. Repeatedly watch these videos, save these videos so that you will understand nicely. So thank you.